In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name and time zone in HubSpot 2025. Understanding how to navigate HubSpot's settings can empower you to better tailor your workspace to suit your needs, making your overall experience smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right in to make these customizations. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot user guide page. You can easily access this by logging into your HubSpot account and then navigating to the user guide section. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future use, as it can be a handy reference for other settings and configurations as well. Once you're on the user guide page, you'll see various tabs and options. Look towards the top of the interface where you'll find a gear icon representing the settings. Clicking on this settings icon will take you to a broader set of options where we'll make our adjustments. In your settings, locate the Account Defaults section from the panel on the left side. Clicking on Account Defaults will direct you to a new window where you're going to find several subsections. These settings control the basic account configurations, including the ones we're focusing on today. Now, let's move to the process of changing your account name. Once you're in the Account Defaults section, click on the specific subsection labeled Account Name. This area allows you to personalize the name associated with your account. It's particularly useful if you're managing multiple accounts or if you need to update your team's credentials. You simply input the desired account name and make sure it reflects your preferred identity or structure. Remember, after typing in your new name, always save your changes. Next, let's adjust your time zone settings, which is equally important, especially if you're working with an international team or handling tasks across different regions. Within the same Account Default section, look for Time Zone. Click on it and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu listing all available time zones. Select the one that aligns with your current geographical location. This adjustment helps in accurately scheduling tasks, meetings, and deadlines according to your local time. Once completed, confirm your selection, ensuring everything is up to date before exiting. And that's it. Just a few simple steps and you've successfully updated your account name and time zone settings in HubSpot. I recommend taking a few minutes to familiarize yourself with other available settings, as making your account work for you can vastly improve productivity and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials to enhance your HubSpot experience.